So in this question, they gave us a rectangle and two of the sides, right? The lengths of two of the sides. And they want you to find the area of this rectangle, and your final answer must be expressed in the form of a plus b multiplied by the root of 2. Okay? So first thing is, how do we find the area of a rectangle? Right? How do you find the area of a rectangle? The length multiplied by the breadth or the width. Okay, so we're just going to multiply these two lengths that they give us here. 2 plus the root of 18 multiplied by 5 minus 4 the root of 2. Okay, so let's expand these brackets. 2 multiplied by 5 will give me 10. Positive 18 multiplied by 5 will give me positive 5 the root of 18. Alright, and then 2 multiplied by negative the root 4 divided by the root of 2 would give me negative 2 multiplied by 4 divided by the root of 2. Okay, and then the root of 18 multiplied by the negative 4 divided by the root of 2 will give me negative the root of 18, okay, multiplied by 4 divided by the root of 2. Okay, so right, so now that we expand our brackets, let's try to simplify this down to the simplest form we could get and put it in this form here. Alright, so let's see, let's work this part out, these brackets here, right? BODMAS, we're gonna work those brackets out first. Okay, so let's put back these things. So 2 multiplied by 4 will give me 8. So this simplified will give me 8 divided by the root of 2 minus, alright, so this 18 is going to go on the numerator, 4 the root of 18 divided by the root of 2. Now look at this here. Alright, I'm going to pull that out and write it here. So 4 the root of 18 divided by the root of 2 is the same as 4 multiplied by the root of 18 divided by the root of 2, okay, which is the same as 4 multiplied by the root of 18 divided by 2, alright, which is the same as 4 multiplied by the root of 9, which is the same as 4 multiplied by 3. Alright, this will give me 12. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this whole entire part here as minus 12. Okay, now look at this part here. Now we don't want that this root of 2 to be a denominator, okay, because if we look at our final form, we have no root of 2 in our denominator. So how do we get rid of a surd or a square root from the denominator? Right, so how do we do that? We are just going to simply, right, multiply by the root of 2 over the root of 2. Okay, now the root of 2 divided by the root of 2 is simply 1, right? So this is not going to change the value of this 8 divided by the root of 2, okay? All it will do is remove the square root from the bottom. Alright, so our numerator will become 8 the root of 2 divided by the root of 2 multiplied by the root of 2 is simply 2. Alright, and 8 divided by 2 is 4 the root of 2. Okay, so we're going to put this back here, 4 the root of 2. Right, so let's put everything back everything else back and see what else we could do with this. Alright, so we have some whole numbers here, right, without the roots in them. Okay, so what we could do with that is put them next to each other. So we have 10 minus 12, and then I'm going to put the plus 5 root of 18 minus 4 root of 2. So 10 minus 12 will give me minus 2. Okay, now look at this root of 18 here. We need to have the root of 2 alone being in our final form, right? So I'm going to drop another working column here, right? Trying to get everything on one page for you to see. So this, let's see, let's leave that 5 there, right? We want to deal with this root of 18. So the root of 18 could be broken up into the root of 9 by 2, which is the same as the root of 9 multiplied by the root of 2. And we know the square root of 9 is 3. Alright, so you see here we have our square root of 2 being pulled out, right? So this is 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by that root of 2. Okay, and don't forget this term, 4 root 2. So let's simplify again. Minus 2 plus 5 threes are 15. Okay, root of 2 minus 4 root of 2. Right, and our final answer would be, so 15 root 2's minus 4 root 2's will give me 15 minus 4, 11 root 2. Okay, and we have our minus 2 here. Okay, and this is in the form of, let me just circle this here. Alright, so this is our A. Our A is negative 2, our B is 11, and we have our root 2. Okay, if you don't like this negative here, right, what you could do is multiply by negative 1, alright, and get rid of that negative sign. Or you could rearrange it and put this 11 square root of 2 in front and the minus 2 behind. Alright, but I'm going to keep it like this because this is the form that they wanted as. Okay, so yes, and don't forget your units, centimeters squared, sorry, meters squared, right? Because it's meters up here. Alright, so meters squared, right? And that's the answer to this question. Okay, so after recording, I realized that my logo in this corner here was blocking part of the working. Okay, so this is the entire solution. Alright, you can see the working on the side here, right?